They don't teach this in finance class. And you'll never hear it from your stockbroker. Because if everyone knew how a gold IRA actually worked, the big firms on Wall Street would lose billions in fees. Here's the truth. There's a little-known way to move part of your 401k, IRA, or TSP into physical gold, legally, tax-free, and penalty-free. And when you do, your money is no longer trapped in digital markets that can crash overnight. Gold has outlasted every currency, every crash, and every bank failure for over 5,000 years. And yet, most financial advisors won't even mention it. Why? Because they can't charge you a commission when your money's not on Wall Street. When you open a gold IRA through American Money Reserve, you take control. You own real gold bars and coins, stored in an IRS-approved vault, not some paper promise, not a line on a computer screen. This isn't another risky investment, it's a wealth preservation strategy. Your gold is insured, audited, and belongs to you. No one can freeze it, delete it, or revalue it at the click of a mouse. And that's exactly what Wall Street doesn't want you to realize. Because once retirees discover they can protect their savings with physical gold, the stock market game changes forever. Think about it. When markets fall, who gets paid first? The brokers, the fund managers, the institutions. When you lose, they still win. But when you own physical gold, there are no middlemen. Just you and your wealth, protected by something real. A gold IRA gives you freedom. It's your money, your asset, your protection against inflation and instability. And it's easier than you might think. Step 1. Request your free gold IRA guide at AmericanMoneyReserve.com. Step 2. A specialist walks you through your options. Step 3. Your existing funds are safely rolled over into gold, without triggering taxes or penalties. And just like that, you've shielded your retirement from whatever comes next. Remember, no one ever regrets owning real gold. They only regret waiting too long to get started. Visit AmericanMoneyReserve.com right now to claim your free gold IRA guide and see exactly how it works. Because the next time the market turns red, you'll want to know your savings are built on solid ground. American Money Reserve, protecting retirement wealth with real gold, not Wall Street promises.